Hello everyone. Well, today I'm going to pick a lock, and this is going to be for the butcher's block. He's having his, well, it's supposed to be his 100 sub giveaway, but now he's up to, well, it's the hashtag is butcher's 156 giveaway. But I notice he has more subs now, of course, but he's giving, oh, I'm sorry. How am I doing? He's giving away some really awesome Lockwoods, which you can't get here much in the United States without paying a horrible mailing fee. So anyways, I thought, well, I'm going to give it a whirl. Now this lock here is a Commando and made in the United States. And yeah, A.J. Clark sent this to me just a few days ago, and I thought, well, I'm going to try picking this because it's a pretty cool lock. So hopefully I can get this on camera for the butcher's block, and I hope I do a good job. Okay, here we go. Okay, I felt a little tiny click. I believe that was 1. Little nudge on 3. These Commandos are strange little pigs. You have to just really take your time and fill them out. And 3 feels like it just kind of fell in. I might not be putting enough tension on it, I'm not quite sure. Felt a little teeny click on 1. Maybe number 3 gave me a little click, and number 4. Tricky lock. Okay, I think 1 gave me a little turn there. Not much. Okay, come on now. Okay, I feel like I've got a little click out of 5. 3, 2. Little bitty clicks all the way down. I think I got it. I did. Alright. Okay, there we go. These are pretty cool locks. I really like them. They're heavy. And got the ball bearings in there. And just a fun lock. Let's make sure I got it good. There we go. Anyways, congratulations, Butcher's Block, on over 100. You're on your way to 2, and I'm very happy for you. And I appreciate everybody watching today, and come back and see me real soon. Bye-bye.